Hello guys, this is Bushra from Bushras Lifestyle, and here is Zahra, Zoha, Zahid. They know that I'm going to make a video, so of course everybody has to help me, which is nice. We're going to make I have participated in a group of bloggers for some craft work, so we're going to make spring wreath for you guys, which it's all Dollar Tree supplies. We need one of this wreath and one of that, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do with these two, and then 5 of these Dollar Tree peachy beautiful flowers, and 5 of these. Those are really cute, purplish. I bought them on when all the Valentine's Day stuff was there, because I knew I won't find these probably again, and it was true. I went back and I could not get any more. So what we're going to do, we're gonna yes, and then we need glue gun with this. This girl is going to help me with the glue gun. So I'm gonna two shades, and this wreath I am going to attach to this one with the glue gun. So stop, Zahra. So what I did, since Zahra was figuring out how she's gonna use her first glue gun, so here is what we did. We glued this top part to that wire wreath, and I secured it with these ribbon, heart or rainbow, whatever ribbon you call it. So I secured it, heart ribbon. Yeah, I have an accent, Zahra, you don't. So I'm gonna fill this in front of you guys. Zahra is helping. She's a good helper. Okay. All you guys have to do that, take these off, and you have to do nothing, just like this. Place it right here. It's gonna turn out to be a beautiful wreath. Okay, can I have, oh, I have it. Thank you. You're so ahead. So first part is done. When we're gonna go with the second round behind it, here. So all I did, I used 4 of these. They come with 5 flowers. So 4 of you so far I have used. So 4, and then a Dollar Tree. This one is 5 and 6, 2 wreaths. And next we're going to put this one. I am almost running out of the glue gun. Zahra went up to take the glue, but you guys can see it's already looking like a filler, a beautifully filled wreath. I have seen on some of them on Etsy. They were over $70 or $80, and they were huge, but I was thinking, how can I make it bigger and fuller? So the idea, I thought that I could place this in between of that. They both are from Dollar Tree, and so far $6 I have spent on this. Okay, and these are all already, like, I bought them 5, but we'll see how many I use. So stay tuned, and we're going to do it. Okay guys, so we're using these. This little boy is taking them off. So these are the other one, the beautiful pinkish purplish flower, and then this is these leaves are part of these flowers. Okay, so what I'm going, sticking a little bit of glue here, and then I'm gonna show you. Just a bit, honey. Be careful about your hands. If your child helps you, please be careful. Let them know their hands should be, and yours too. So here, that gives me a nice leafy. Okay, so here guys, glue, and then I'm gonna show you. I actually lifted it up with another one. I have it under. Let me bend the camera for you so you can see what we're up to. So this one will go right here, and I'm gonna show you it's already turning really beautiful wreath. And let me finish it and then I'll show you. It's like, okay, so here we go. Just glue this area. First I glued this on the bottom, and then like first I glue this part leaf to the flower, and then now it's gonna be hard. So here is the wreath is ready, which is beautiful. I will place it on my door so you guys will be able to see it. But this is so beautiful looking wreath, you can see it. And all I spent I bought these 5, but I only used I was like 3 I used these. So total I spent $9 on this wreath. For $9 you can see a gorgeous, really pretty. I will show you then. Okay, here is the wreath ready, and I just placed it on my laundry room, although it's going outside on our main door. But just wanted to show you quickly how does that looks. It really looks beautiful. Let me know what do you say and what you think. I spent only $9 total on it, while on Etsy you can find it for $60 and $70. Please subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you would like any other projects for instead of do-it-yourself spring wreath, or any other you would like me for spring to do. Just drop me a comment about that. Thank you so much for watching.